good, my reflections? What is good, my babies? You are over here with some radio. Welcome to the night school. We are here to decode again reflections. They said, Taretha, you know what? You're really going to have to do better with this board. Like, you're just going to have to do better, Taretha. I know reflections. I really do know that. But hey, yeah, get what I'm saying. Listen, we compromising over here. They said, Taretha, is that a baby pants shirt? What is it? Mind your business. Mind your business. Hey, mind your business. Mind the business that pays you. Reflection. Okay, they said, Taretha, your business right now is my business. Okay, I feel that reflection. So with that being said, we are here to talk about communication reflection. We are here to talk about communication because it's kind of like angel numbers, but not the angel numbers that you find in a book. We are talking about the sacred communication through numbers. Okay, so we all know different times we may see. And remember, spirits, they talk through time reflection. They talk through numbers. They talk through symbols. Well, not necessarily time, but through numbers and through symbols. Okay, and times as well, kind of cycles. So we all know that numbers are symbols and symbols are numbers. Okay. Now, with that being said, if you didn't watch those videos, then definitely go back to the night school and watch those videos and you'll kind of see what I mean reflection. So now we're going to talk about like different times that you may see on your clock. Reflection, different times that you may see on your clock. And remember, Taretha, listen, an architect and an artist, they're kind of the same, but they're different. Okay. So you hear me? Okay. So, yeah. So we're gonna this is our clock reflection. We have three, so we're gonna do 3 clocks because you know I love 3. Okay, so we're gonna do 3. Okay, we have 12, we have 6, we have 3, and of course we have 9. Okay, so with that being said, reflection, and this is you can always remember like what goes on the clock, because the divine numbers are 3, 6, 9, and of course 12. Okay, so with that being said, reflection, let's get started. Let's say let's just do some numbers. Just call out some numbers. Okay, let's do what time is it? 7:13. Okay, let's say 3:14. Okay, let's say 9:19. Okay, let's say give me some for the 7. Why we gonna use 7? Let's get another number. Okay, let's see, 112. Okay, let's say 112. Give me another number, 313. Let's do some typical numbers. 333, 444, 1122. Okay, so with that being said, reflection, we have these different sets of numbers. All right, so let's look at them on a scale of communication. Remember, numbers are symbols, symbols are numbers. Okay, so all of a sudden you see 713 on your clock. Okay, you just chilling, just cruising down the street, and you see 713 on your clock. We're gonna draw 713 over here too. So 713, the big hand would be we're gonna do the small hand and the big hand. 510. Let's say it'll be somewhere up in the reflection, somewhere in the area. Something like that. It'll be something like that, reflection. Okay, it'll be something like that. I think it'll be something like that. Okay, so what I think it'll be something like that. Okay, so this would be about 7:15. You look on the clock, 5:10. About 5:10, 11, 12, 13. It'll be about 7:13, right in that area, kind of in that area. Okay, reflection. So we're looking at the clock, and we it's different ways you can look at this. And I'm trying to think how else could we put this. And we ain't gonna do military time. We're not gonna do all that. Okay, so 7:13. I look at the clock and I be like, okay, it's 7:13. So what would I do? I would first look at, okay, it's not like a reoccurring number. I would do, okay, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus the 1 is 11. Okay, so that would give me 11. So we know 11 is the number of what, reflection? 11, what does it look like? It look like a road. It look like a pathway. It look like a driveway. It look like, okay, so I know something. I'm finna go through a little transformation right now. Okay, something about transformation. Your angel guys, they're trying to communicate with you, letting you know you're finna go through a pathway, or if you're feeling a certain type of way, it's because you're going through a particular transformation right now. You're finna transform, you're finna flip the chapter, reflection. Okay. So let's look at reflection. This ain't stuff you're gonna find in your astrology books. That we're going back when. We are going back when. I should have left it up though. And just erase the time. That's what I should have did. Reflection. They said, "Sweetie, why you just didn't use?" Because I didn't want to. Well, that's because I didn't want to. Reflection. Okay. Let's see. Now, but I'm going to, because I don't want to get my hands dirty. Okay, so let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. So the next time is 3:14. Okay, so we have 3:14. I'm looking at the clock. I see it's 3:14. Okay, 3:14 over here to be. You know what I'm saying? We got the little hand right there, and 14. That'll be right, like right before you get to this. So it'll be kind of like in that area, kind of, sort of. Okay, so it looks something like that, reflection. Okay, so we got 3:14. I look at the clock, I be like, okay, it's 3:14. What am I thinking about automatically? I'm going to add all the numbers together. I'm going to be like, okay, that's 4, that's 5, that's 6, that's 7, that's 8. 8 is an infinite. Okay, so infinite. I know I'm finna get abundance. I know something. We speaking abundance now. We speaking. If you trying, let's say I'm studying something right now. I know I'm finna get infinite knowledge about this. I know, you get what I'm saying. I know the ancestors or whatever force that I'm working with at that time. I know that my knowledge or whatever. Let's say you trying to get more abundance. More abundance is about to come to you. They heard what you were saying. The universe, because this is a sign of infinite. That means the energy just keeps going and going. So the number 8. That's how I would look at it. Reflection. Okay, so look at it like this right here. So on this type of clock, if you look, reflection, it's not a 90-degree angle. It's almost like a 45-degree angle, but not so much so, because it'll be like the 1, the 2, the 3. It'll be more so on 3:14. It's gonna be so much closer. It's gonna be closer to that 3. It's gonna be much closer. It's almost close, but it's not. Okay, so how would I look at that right there? I would look at that as, okay, up there is the 8, but on this clock right here, it's closed, but it's not closed all the way. So that means I'm about to close out a chapter. I'm about to close out something, and something else is about to come to me. And whatever is coming to me is divine because of the number 8 right there. Because when I add all the numbers together, I get the number 8. But if you look at it on a clock level with the hands, it's closed. It's almost finna close, but it hasn't closed quite yet. So it's something that could be open in your life that your spirit guides to tell you it's time to close it, but it ain't quite closed out yet. Okay, so let's go to the next thing. Let's go to the next time. Reflections. Let's go to the next time. Let's go to the next time, baby. Okay, let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. Let's keep it going. I'll probably put you a clock next to what I'm doing, reflection, so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. So you can see what I'm talking about. So you can see what Taretha is talking about. Okay. Okay, so anyways, let's keep going, reflection. Let's keep going. All right, so our new time over here we have is 919. Now, this is a reflective number, okay? 919. Whenever you have numbers like this with a 1, especially in the middle of it, you want to pay attention to the middle number, okay? You want to pay attention to both, but you really want to pay attention to the middle number, okay? So let's do it on this clock too. 919. We have the shorthand over here to the 9, and of course we're gonna do the 19. That's gonna be right before you get to the 4, not quite on there. Okay, so we would look at it like that right there. Okay, so 919. When I first look at this number right here, I'm looking at the 9s, and I'm automatically looking at this 1 right here in the middle. The 1 represents power. The 1 represents beginning. Okay, so what am I beginning? Right here we have the 9s. We have 18. So if you put 9 plus 9 together, you get 18, which gives you that 9 again. So really, it's like 9, 9, because we have the 9 and 9. And if you break both 9s down, then you get 9, 9, 9 again. Okay, that lets you know that your ancestors, they're watching you. You are definitely being protected right now. Okay, that just lets you know that they're communicating with you. If you maybe was asking for a certain thing, or felt like you needed a certain thing at the time, it's basically saying that with the 999 right there, they heard you, baby. I heard you on the phone. They heard you on the telephone. Okay, you get what I'm saying, reflection? So basically 919 is basically 999. Okay, and if you even do this 9 times 3, you get 27, which gives you, break it down again, you get 9. You get what I'm saying? Reflection 999 round now. Okay, right here. So think about it like this on the clock. Look at how it's positioned on the clock. You get the 9 and you get the 4. If you get 9 and you get 4, reflection, look at it like this. 9 minus 4 is what? 5. 5 plus 4 is what? Is 9, reflection. Okay, so how many moves from the 9 and the 4 is it? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get what I'm saying, reflection? Okay, so it could let you know something as well. If you want to look at it on the clock level, you could look at it like this, but you would really have to break it all the way down. Something is about to happen in 5 days. Okay, this is how divine would look at it. Something is about to happen in 5 days. Well, it doesn't mean it's something bad, because you got the 999 right there. This could be a gift that's going to come into you from your ancestors, or from their divine power that you was pulling from, or whatever it was, reflection. Okay, so you can look at it like that. But you would have had to put it on a clock level to see what, you get what I'm saying? See, when you're trying to break it down, let's say you want to, maybe you wanted something to come to you, but you wasn't quite sure when it was come to you. Maybe you was trying to figure out a specific date about something. You can use time. They communicate through numbers and symbols. You can use time to get your answers. Okay, so let's keep going. Let's keep it going. So we know 919 really equals 999. Okay, so we got that. We got that, reflection. We got that. We got that. We got that. Uh-oh. Let's keep it going. My hand's so heavy, reflection. I got some heavy hands. Okay, let's keep it going. They said, listen, you need to be gentle with me, baby. When you come over here, you need to be gentle. You ain't in that deuce and a quarter, baby. Be gentle with me. Okay, then. That's all you had to say. Let me erase this at the bottom, because we're not using it right now. Okay. Shout out to us. I'm sorry, reflection. You get what I mean? I just feel like this is easier. Okay.